Good morning, everybody. Please welcome to the website of the school. This is the demo school. This is the homepage of the school. Here we are having the logo of the school. Here we are two sections, two menu sections. One is top bar, which contains admission inquiry, fee submission, contact us, and login. Parents or students. Here we can scroll down to the message and about a section about of the school. And if anything we want to search in this website, then we can go for this is search icon. A very beautiful slideshow is going here. This is the notice board section of the school. When the management or the school authority will upload any notice, then it will be reflected in this section. We can clicking on this button, we can go to the notice boards page. This is a short description about the school, and this is a collapsible uh, message box of principal and secretary's message. To go and read in details, you have to click read more, and then you can go to the secretary messages page where you can read his message. Below is the photo gallery of the school and the achievements, and this is the footer with the school logo and notice board section and quick links with school address and email. Now let's move to the fee submission section. If any parents is not having the user ID or password, then still he can pay the fees by clicking on this fee submission. He will select the class of that student, and he will give the write the name of the student and search. Below is the name of the student found, and on clicking on view, they can view their invoices. Pay now option button. So when they will click on pay now option button, then a page will open with the payment method. They can choose any one of the below option and choose proceed to pay for their fee amount. If some student or parent is having his login ID or password, then they can click here to login option, and they can write their username and password and click on login button to log into their dashboard. Here they can see their basic details, their attendance record, their details of the student. They can also print the ID card here. And the left side of the section, they can check their fee invoices, how many fee invoices they have unpaid, their payment history. If they will do the payment, then their payment history will be shown here. The study materials which the teacher has given, the homework, they can check the homework which the teacher has given. The upcoming events of the school or in the class is posted by the class teacher. This section carry the timetable of this class. They can also attend the live classes which the teacher can assign a schedule. They can also access the exam timetable issued by the class teacher, admit card, exam result issued by the class teacher, attendance. They can check the attendance of their own, or they can apply for the leave request also. They can apply for the single day leave or a multiple day leave. And so when they will submit this leave request, then this leave request will go to the teacher's dashboard, and they can accept or reject his leave from their dashboard. Now let's move to the dashboard of a class teacher. For accessing the dashboard, we will have to use write -wp admin option. Now teacher will get his own username and password. This is the dashboard of the class teacher. In his or her class, 20 students are present, 20 students are active, no exam has been published, no, no admit card has been also published, and no result has also have been published. The teachers can apply for the leave request, and they can ask for the leave request from the management by entering their reasons and submitting on their leave request. This option carries the live classes. They can schedule the live classes of each and every classes. Now in academic section, the class teacher can take the attendance, they can distribute the study materials, and they can assign the homework also. Here the class teacher can check the timetable of each and every class. They can take the attendance from this section. Now if the teacher want to take the attendance, then here take attendance button is there. So then he or she can take the attendance. Here she has to enter the today's date and then manage attendance. And here mark all present and mark all are absent is button is there. By those students who are absent, then he or she can put her as an absent, and then she can do the save changes to effectively apply the attendance. Now here she can check for the leave request of the student if anybody has applied or not. Here she can distribute the study material to the classes. Here she can also define the homework to the students, like add new homework by clicking on add new homework, by assigning the class and section. Here she can send the SMS also to the students and parents. If anything she want to attach to this homework, then she can choose file and attach the file, then assign the homework. Then that as homework has been assigned to first A of section A. Here she can manage the live classes by using Zoom class. Here she can view all of the students' details. She can check individual students' attendance record, their fee structure, and she can export the records of the student also. Now in the examination dashboard, she can manage the new examination. She can manage the admit card, manage the exam result, and result assessment. So this was the basic detail of the class teacher. Now let's move to the account section or to the accountant dashboard. This is the dashboard section of an accountant. Here she can track the monthly enrollment of any student, monthly payment of the students, how many students have been enrolled, how many students is active, total invoices raised, how many invoices are paid, unpaid invoices, any partial payment has been done or not. Accountant can take their new admission also, or can modify the student detail also, like from here student, he or she can watch every details, and he or she can edit the details of that student also, phone number, or and hit on update button. If the accountant want, then he and she can raise a new invoice. She can raise a single invoice related to a specific student, raise the bulk invoice also. Now let's move on to admin section. This is the admin dashboard, and he or she can manage the entire section of the school from here. Like the main role of admin is to create the staff roles. Admin can take the new admission, assign or view, assign or change the role of any accountant or teacher or any staff. Here he or she can check the whole staff list that are working in this school according to the designation. Here he or she can accept or reject the staff leave. Here he or she can track and manage all the school list. Like in this section, only one school has been running. If he or she can want, then she can add as many more schools or any branches, and individually she can view the school details like monthly enrollment, monthly fee payment, total number of classes of this school related to this school, how many students are active, inquiries, unpaid invoices, total raised invoices, collections till date, pending amounts till date, any exams have been scheduled or not, library details, much more things is present in this admin section. So this was the small tour of the website which I tried to specify you. So thank you all of you for your precious time.